In today's video, I will teach you how to make an eye-catching checklist in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva, and in the search bar, type in the keyword checklist if you wish to use one of Canva's templates from the template library. There are thousands of templates to choose from, but if you have a specific design in mind, simply enable the filters on the left side to remove the designs that you don't like to narrow down your choices. You can also choose the theme, as well as the color palette of your checklist. Also, take note of the tag attached to the template. If the template has this crown tag, it means that you need to upgrade to Canva Pro to be able to use this template. If you wish to start from scratch, simply click on the Empty Page button at the first row of the template library, but if you wish to make your own checklist with a custom size, you can simply click on the Create a Design button and select Custom Size, then input the width and the height of your preferred canvas. Otherwise, you can now open your chosen template and you can now customize it according to your preference. In the Elements tab, you can add lines and shapes, graphics, stickers, photos, videos, audios, charts, tables, frames, grids, and collections that contains a graphics pack. You can also upload your own images to make the checklist look more personal. And in the Text tab, you can set your text as a heading, subheading, or text body. And you can also choose among the font combination presets to make your text look more interesting. You can edit each element separately by clicking on the element and select Edit Image. You can also customize the color scheme of different illustrations by clicking on it, and on the top panel, simply choose the color that you would like to change and select a different one from the color palette. Now, go ahead and play around with the settings until you're satisfied. And once you're done, you can now save it to your computer if you would like to print the checklist on your own. But Canva also has a print on demand option. Simply click on the print letterheads option, and here you can choose the paper type and the number of copies that you would like to get printed. And once you're satisfied, you can now fill out the billing and shipping information, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.